Think of the AI agent as your direct line to operational action. Using simple natural language prompts, you can instantly check inventory levels, view open orders, or query complex ERP data. But it doesn't stop at providing data, insight, and deliverables. The Agility agent goes further, allowing you to complete transactions in your ERP while maintaining human control, driving real-time action across your supply chain. Book your live demo today at agilityintel.ai.